today. My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for taking a couple minutes and checking out my video. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make sous vide sirloin steak. Now I have around a 2.5 pound piece of sirloin here that we got from a local farm here in Wisconsin, Clap Farms. And we signed up for this thing. This is a great way to get locally farmed and raised beef year-round. And basically you sign up, you pay one fee, and every 2 weeks you get packages of different types of meat. This is our first week, so we got 2 packages of sirloin steak. Then we're gonna get next 2 weeks from now, we're gonna get 15 pounds of ground beef. Then we're gonna get some ribeye steak, some chuck roast, T-bones, more ground beef, sirloin tip roast. So they give you a wide variety of different things. So I think this is a great way to support your local farm if you live out in Wisconsin like I do. So I'm going to keep this real simple. I'm going to season this with nothing more than salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to sous vide it for a couple hours and finish it off on the grill. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so here we are. We have a sirloin steak, and we're just, like I said, going to keep it real simple. I'm just going to lightly season it with some salt, some ground pepper, and some garlic powder. Now you can use your favorite rub, but I really want to taste this meat, so I'm going to keep it simple this time. And really, this is the basic foundation of just about every spice is salt, pepper, garlic powder. So not really rocket science here. I'll continue to do this. I'll flip it over, and then I'm going to put it in a freezer bag. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Alright guys, be back in a little bit. Alright, here we are. It's all vacuum sealed. Nice piece of meat here. Now I had this in the freezer, defrosting overnight in the fridge, so I don't know if it's completely thawed out. If it's completely thawed out, I would go 1 to 2 hours. Since this one might be a little bit cold still in the center, I'm gonna go 2 to 3 hours. But yeah, cook according. We'll be back in a second while I wait for my sous vide machine to reach temperature. Alright, so my sous vide machine has hit 132 degrees. I got a little rack on the bottom, and this is real easy. We're just gonna drop this steak in here for a minimum of 2, all the way up to 3. Nice and careful. And then I'm just gonna clamp it down on the end. And we're set. Look how easy that is. I'll be back in a little bit, guys. See you then. All right, since we have a few hours till dinner time, time for a beverage review. I'm showing you the creative art on the 6-pack packaging. Terrapin Beer Company out of Athens, Georgia. This is called the Hopsecutioner because it's made with 6 types of hops. So I thought that was pretty cool. And here's the actual can. And this is my daughter, Ava Grace. Say hi, Ava Grace.
Hi.
And my son, Kyle. Now Ava Grace is having, I already loaded up her cup. She's trying Crystal Light Strawberry Watermelon. I guess
strawberry watermelon?
Strawberry watermelon. She picked that flavor herself.
Yeah, Mom asked me.
So that's what she's going to have. And Kyle is going to have something here. This is called Caruso's Blood Orange Italian Style Soda. You've had Italian Style Soda before, haven't you? I think so. But anyway, that's what Kyle's having. So here, I got a can opener or a bottle opener here. You want to pour it, Kyle?
Alright.
There you go. Tilt the glass a little bit to make it easy. And mine's in a can here. And Ava Grace is the only one that doesn't have to pour.
Yeah.
That's a pitcher pack.
I am the only one that doesn't have to pour it.
Put powder in it.
That's actually pretty cool.
Ooh, look at that. That looks good.
Yeah.
How's it smell, Kyle?
Doesn't smell like orange.
Here.
Smells kind of like cherry, to be honest.
Alright guys, as always, I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you, we appreciate it. Come on guys, let's do a cheers to each other.
Some orange things kind of not smell like orange. You kind of smell like cherry.
And cheers to our viewers. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's take a big sip, look in the camera and tell them what you think.
Okay.
I like it, this is good. It is hoppy, but it's not crazy hoppy. It's got a little fruit presence at the end. Make it a little bit, I guess, not as strong. I definitely like that. Okay, Ava Grace, how is your strawberry water?
This is another good park drink. I might actually bring it to, we're going to the park tomorrow.
You're going to the park tomorrow and you might bring some of this?
Yeah, with my friends.
Okay, well that's good. And last but not least,
Now, this is a drink that's easy to talk about because some drinks are like, how do I word it? This is easy. It tastes like if you've had a tangerine or an orange, it tastes like that, but it tastes like a cream soda almost, and it's
oh really?
Sweet.
Well, that's what I think the Italian, what do they call it, Italian soda? Oh, that is good. Yeah, Italian style soda. I don't know what it is, but it has that cream soda flavor.
It says they made the Crystal Light brand in Chicago.
Oh, there you go. All right, guys, we're going to enjoy this. I'm glad you like it, Kyle. Cheers. Cheers, Ava Grace. We're going to enjoy these drinks. We're going to let the sous vide machine work its magic. We'll be back in a few hours. See you later. Cheers. Cheers. All right, it's been 2 hours. We're going to turn this off. Get this out of here. I got some paper towels. We're basically gonna dry this off after we cut it off. Get it ready for a sear. There we go. It's not gonna look too appetizing, but it's perfectly cooked. Alright, be careful. If you're cooking a big one like me, you want to make sure, try to keep it in one piece. Alright, so once you get it out, you want to dry it off real well. Else it's not going to be able to get a good sear. So just take some paper towels. Get it nice and dry. Alright, here we are. I dried it off real good. I'm just going to use my GrillGun, get a nice hot sear in this. Alright, meet you guys outside. Alright guys, this is my GrillGun. If you've never seen it before, it's awesome. We're going to turn it on here. Sear this steak.
Smoking.
To the other side.
Wow.
Alright guys, here we go. There we go, guys.
Woo.
Meet you inside. All right, here we are. I'm just gonna cut right down the center because I don't know what else to do here. There's a bone here. A And this is what we got from the butcher that's called sirloin steak. So I don't know, it looks more like chuck steak to me, but let's see. I'm just gonna use my hands here, show you guys. All right, it looks like it's cooked good. I'll slice some slices here. We'll get the family out. We'll give this a try. Oh yeah, it's looking good. All right, welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica. I sliced some up. Here, try this. And I guess it's sirloin steak.
I mean, it looks good.
Mmm. Mmm.
No, it is.
No, it is good. It's good beef.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I thought when I picked it up, I thought, oh, it looks good. But it was frozen, and then when it got thawed out, it was more thin, right?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure, but this is delicious.
No, it is very good.
This is really good. Okay. Yeah. That's a winner.
No, yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my channel. If you like it, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I'll leave links above and below. And thanks for stopping by. Check out some of my other videos on my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. It looks like chuck steak, but...
No, but it's so good. Wow.
Very good.
Clap Farms, man.